Hello guys, and welcome to a video where I'm going to show you guys how you can animate your pictures using two different websites. These are both AI websites and they both do almost the same thing. So the first one which I'm going to show you is its name is Cutout Pro. So the Cutout Pro is very simple. You have to have an account. Now this is not completely free, but you can actually use this website for free with a watermark. So if you animate any pictures, there will be a watermark. So that's the only downside for using this website for free. And if you purchase the premium account, then you can do it professionally. So I'm just going to show you how you can actually animate your photos. If you go to cutoutpro.pro, you will find this product drop down bar here, and you're going to go to Photo Animer and you'll find this window right here. Okay, so after you come to this window, you can just simply upload your picture. Like, just click on upload image, and then they're gonna ask you to upload an image. You can just upload one from your desktop, and then they're going to animate your picture instantly. And you can see it's loading. 99%, now it's 100%. So you can see that the picture is being animated. Now it's a bit blur, so if you want to download it in HD, you can also do that. Okay, so this is just free download with watermark and 360 pixels, so that's why it's so blurry. But if you want to download it for HD, you can actually do it full without any watermark. So you can do it after you purchase the premium account. Okay, so this was Cutout Pro, so you can easily make an animated picture of your own face or any other face that you want. Okay, so there are there's like cartoon selfie. You can also make yourself an anime character. It's really fun using it. So if we try this one, so you can see that the picture has been animated and it looks pretty cool, right? Yeah. So this was cutout.pro, so you can animate your pictures using this Cutout Pro. Now we have another one, another website, which is My Heritage Deep Nostalgia. Okay, so it's like a similar website, just like Cutout Pro. They do the same thing, and this one is not also free, but you have a free trial plan as well. So you can actually go and try out your images. If you like it, you can go premium as well. So same process, just click on upload photo and then just select your photo, and then they will just animate it instantly. You can see here uploading photo. Now they are animating the photo. You can see here this is the process, and they're just making an animation using the AI tool. So we have to wait a few seconds, and then the video will start, the animation will start, and you can actually download it as well. Okay, so it's pretty much done. Now you can see that the photo has been animated. It animates just like this. So you can actually use your own photo to animate it, and if you want to download it, you can actually download the video just like that. Just click on download and it will just show the download will begin shortly. Just save it, and once it's downloaded, you can actually check it out. So let's open this. So if we just open this, you can see that this photo has been animated and now it's turned into a video, and we have this logo here right here, so it's gonna stay like that. Now the photo is not clear completely, but still it looks pretty good compared to the photo now. All right, so these were two of these image photo image generator, so you can actually use these. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. You guys should check these websites out, and I will see you in another video. Okay.